I don't love you anymore. You broke my heart, you broke my soul. I don't like you anymore. I don't love you anymore. Dear my ex, I don't love you anymore. You broke my heart, you broke my soul. I don't like you anymore. I don't even want your phone.
Here we go again, into this shit again. Hey, everything that I do, that reminds me of you. Even if I try to drink too hard, baby girl. Even if everything that I do, I did it for well. Impilo yami nzima ngaphandle kwakho, even if ngamanye asaba. Mangithi ngathi ngabuyisela isikhathi emuva ngiye kucabanga ngawo. Noma ngithi ngivala amehlo ngokusobala. Angikwazi nokulala, everything that I did it for well.
Yonke into ngiyenzele wena my love. Namanje wena awusangibongiwe dali wami. Yes ungizwisile lokhu buhlungu weswidi. Yonke into bengiphusha for wena my love. Sonke sengibabonile vele bangithandile. Kodwa mina ngakhetha wena we love my nuno. Kanti wena uzongidlala vele ungizwise ubuhlungu. Lobo wedalwa mangizange ngabubona bafethu. Nabangani bami kudala bengikhalimela ngawe. Kodwa I keep pushing on because still I love you baby. I'm still on, I'm still in love with you. When sweetie my love you.
Me my ex, I still don't love you. You broke my heart, you broke my soul. I don't like you anymore. I don't like you anymore. You broke my heart, you broke my soul. I don't love you anymore. You broke my heart, you broke my soul. Oh yo, I don't like you.
Ngicela ukhumbule ilanga lami. Ngicela ukhumbule ngike ngaba inkanyezi emehlweni wakho. Before lamalanga afika, these days we've been fighting all the time. Yo, everything that I try when I'm going to home, I was thinking about you everything, but when I wakhetha ukudlala ngothando lwami, ngakunikeza yonke into wena wakhetha ukudlala ngayo. I give you many chances to understand that pain sound different when it's coming from a man. Yeah, manje ngisakwazi nokuphendula ukuthi ngizophendula ngithini. Ngathi ngakunika amanye amagama ntokazi kodwa ngiyafisa ukubona time soon.
Yeah, nale ngiyafisa ukubona time soon. Ungizwisile ubuhlungu wedali mama.